now.
A judge has just pushed back the murder trial of Michael Dunn in the shooting death of 17-year-old Jordan Davis.
This guy should never, ever see the light of day on the streets again as a free person.
Good evening, everyone. Ron Davis, who you just heard, says it will be painful to wait 5 or 6 more months for his son's accused killer to face a jury.
Today at a pretrial hearing, the judge granted a defense request to delay the trial until early next year. It was scheduled to begin in September. Dunn is charged with first-degree murder and 3 counts of attempted murder. According to police, shot and killed the Wolfson High School student last November at a Southside gas station. Dunn says he fired in self-defense. Channel 4's Haley Winslow was inside the courtroom and joins us now live. Haley, did the judge say why he was granting the postponement?
Mary, Jordan Davis's parents say this has been emotionally draining. Basically, they did this because the attorneys need more time. They have about 100 people that have... He walked in with the usual orange jumpsuit and handcuffs, this time looking slimmer. Michael Dunn's attorney asked the judge to push the trial date back. State Attorney Angela Corey had no objections, so the judge asked Dunn if he's okay with it.
Yes, sir.
Judge Russell Healy, the 3rd judge to take on this case, says it's now likely to go to trial in mid-January or early February at the latest, which for Jordan Davis's parents means their wait for justice will be much longer, and it's very painful.
Even for the person that shot your child, you want to have a little compassion for him and his family, but it's very hard to do that.
How can he live with himself as a human being and not have any consideration for what he's done, for the lives that he's destroyed? I find it heinous, and I feel really sorry for him.
Davis's mom flies in from Atlanta for every court proceeding. She and Jordan's dad are ready for this case to close. Their hearts will never heal.
A lot of things are going to happen that they're going to have to relive and try to get in the mind of a man that said, "You're not going to talk to me like that," fired 10 shots, went and ordered pizza, never calling the cops, and try to understand and fit that within the definition of humanity, and it's impossible.
But the support and compassion his parents are getting from across the nation has made dealing with the reality of this nightmare a little easier.
We're grateful. We cannot thank you enough because it keeps us lifted and keeps us going forward, and we know that what we're doing is for everyone and not just for Jordan.
We apologize for those technical difficulties at the beginning. Right before I got on the air, I talked to Corey Strolla, Michael Dunn's attorney, and asked him if his client feels any remorse about this. And he said, absolutely, absolutely Michael Dunn feels remorse. He said even his mom feels remorse. He said she feels like she's also lost a son. The trial is expected to last 2 weeks. Reporting live at the Duval County Courthouse, Haley Winslow, Channel 4, the local station.
Haley, did the judge give any indication whether the defense will seek a stand-your-ground hearing before the start of a trial?
Mary, I asked Strolla about that. He wouldn't say one way or another, but he did say if they plan to do so, they have to file a motion with the judge by a deadline which is set in January. Mary?
All right, Haley Winslow reporting to us live. Thank you, Haley.